الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Yes, student. Today I am going to teach you the topic SS 2013. What? SS 2013. Dear student, do you know that what is SS 2013? SS 2013 is the latest software which is used in nowadays in every organization. Students, I am talking about before 20 years, so we maintain our data manually. It is too much time taking and it's not a proper record, and we cannot save it too much. So students, software engineers maintain the software like SS 2013. We can record our data, we can maintain our data, each and everything on SS 2013. Let's start our first topic of this chapter, which is database management. Student, database management. Database management gives us the data in orderly manner. We know about what is our data. We can give the titles, we can give the file names, and we can give the field names as well. And we can maintain our records in rows and columns. So whenever we need our data, so we can directly get it through the file name, through the field name. Okay, the next topic is what is database? What is database? Student, you know very well that every organization has to maintain their records. Like if I am talking about school, so school record the fee. School maintain the fee records. If I am talking about the hospital, so hospital maintain their patients record as well as bank records. Each and everything they all are maintaining in a database. Whenever we want to maintain any record, so we can these all the informations are called the database. Student, the next topic is very important, which is element of database. Elements of database. Student, there have 4 elements of the database. Yes, student, as I told you that there have 4 elements of a database. Number 1 is hierarchical, number 2 is network, number 3 is relational, number 4 is object oriented. Student, hierarchical, network and object oriented are the past version of the database management. But student, the latest type of the element of the database is relational. Do you know that what is the meaning of relational? Student, you know very well that we maintain our data in rows and columns. These rows and columns are called relational. What is it called? Relational database. Because student, why they are called the relational? Because it maintains the relation between the rows and columns. These rows, these columns like this. Student, you know very well this is called the field name. In your language you can also call it title. Right? The vertical lines are called columns, and the horizontal line are called rows. What is the vertical lines are called? Vertical lines are called the columns, and horizontal lines are called the rows. Students, this is the most important topic of this chapter, SS 2013. Student, I am going to teach you the elements of SS 2013. Do you know that what can you found in the software? Class, first and foremost important thing is the title bar. Class, when we maintain any record, when we maintain any file, we need a title, and you can give the title according to your own wish. So you can select the title from the title bar. The next thing is program icon. Plus, when you want to go to the SS, you need a program icon. So you can place this program icon on your desktop, so you can easily access to SS 2013. Restore. What is the meaning of restore? Plus, when you maintain any file and you did incomplete work, so you can again restore this file and start working whenever you left it. The next one is move. You can move one or two data into one file and you can combine the file, you can merge the file. Number 5 is size. You can maintain the size according to your data. If you want to 2 column 2 rows, so you can maintain it 2 by 2, and if you want to maintain a column and rows of 100 by 100, so you can maintain 100 by 100. Redo. Redo means class, redo give you the previous step. Means you say that if you commit any mistake and you realize that the previous step is right, so you can redo and you can find the you can find the forward step. Means you say undo. If you commit any mistake and you want a previous one step, so you can undo, so you can find the backward step. Help. If you found any help and you didn't understand the software regarding any, if you want to ask any question regarding the software, so you just click the help button and ask your question. The software will help you. Print. If you maintain your data and you want the print, so you just click the print option and you can print your file. File tab. Student, in file tab there are 4 or 5 options. You can save the file, you can open the new file, and you can also the close file according to your wish. Students, look at your homework. This is your homework. In first question, what do you know about database management? Class, I want the definition and complete description of database management. Okay? In first question. In second question, I am just asking you, what is database? What is database? What is the actual definition of database? In third question, write the introduction of SS 2013. Class, I told you that what is the introduction, and it is also mentioned in book that what is the introduction of SS 2013, from where they start or from where they are using, whatever. The question number 4 is enlist the element of SS 2013. I am not saying you that describing, I am saying that enlist means to say you maintain the list, means to say mention the elements. Okay? And okay students, thank you so much for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.